Hello everybody, this is Tim Clay with Apex Ventures Real Estate and Property Management. Today we're going to be taking a look at 919 Seven Oaks Boulevard in Smyrna, Tennessee. This is a 2-bedroom, 2.5-bath townhome. Has all sorts of upgrades. Each bedroom is a master suite. It has laundry room upstairs. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to drive around back and walk you through the carport as if you were pulling into your brand new home. Okay, so we're actually starting at the back of the unit here. One thing I want to point out right away, this is something that's really amazing. I manage a lot of HOAs, and this is the only HOA that I manage and that I know of that actually takes care of the landscaping inside of the privacy fence. If you look, I mean, this is a nice size area. You can grill out so long as you are far enough away from the building. I think codes is at 15 feet away from the building, so you can have your grill back here. Has a storage shed, which we can look at in a little bit. And the other thing that's really nice is that each unit has covered parking. And there's room here for 2 cars. It's nice and roomy. The landscaping here is absolutely amazing. Talked about that a second ago, but it really is a nice community. All right, so let's go take a look at the inside. One of the first things you notice when you open up the door is you have these nice quartz countertops. You have an industrial sink. You have an industrial sprayer, all stainless steel appliances. You have the metal stainless looking backsplash. Nice hardware on the cabinets. Have more cabinets there. Storage under the sink is pretty deep. Looks like probably 2.5 feet. You have a lot of space there. Stainless dishwasher as well. And one of the things you'll notice is all of these appliances are Frigidaire and they're quality appliances. And the other thing you notice about the kitchen is there's quite a bit of storage. And when you open up this, you have a pantry, full size. Again, lots of room. And then we're into our dining room. Now, our dining room, the rest of the downstairs has laminate flooring. It has the gray paint with the white baseboards and trim. Got contemporary lighting in the dining room. And something, I don't know if I can show this on video or not, if you can see the color change, but if you turn the kitchen light off and back on, it actually changes colors. Gives you kind of a different tint. The end thing, you also have a nice sized living room. The dining room and living room just open up so well together. You have the nice landscaping outside. If you want to leave your shades open, you can close your curtains. We've got a nice modern ceiling fan. The remote is right next to the thermostat. Also downstairs, which you'll notice, is the half bath. It has the luxury tile, updated hardware, updated modern lighting. And right across from that, under the stairs, is the storage unit that has your hot water heater. It does have the expansion tank. There's extra tiles if you want to use that. There should be enough to remodel the second master suite up there, or the second master bathroom, and I'll talk more about that here in just a minute. Now, one thing you can count on, if you haven't noticed already, the owner really takes care of his unit. So the carpet here is like new. It's going to be like this all the way through the upstairs. Now, it's not brand new carpet. Okay, so let's walk into the first master bedroom. And one thing I do want to point out is one of the things that the owner did is he replaced all of the internal hardware. So it's the little details like this that show that the owner really took care of the place, really cared about it. And I mean, this is a nice big master bedroom. There's plenty of room for, you know, your king size bed, your dresser. Kind of hard to capture on video, but this two-tone really does look good. You have this huge master closet. And in the bathroom is an area that he also did a lot of work. You have the vinyl plank flooring here. You have the nice backsplash and the sunken sink with the modern hardware. Nice sized garden tub, and it actually has a rain shower head. So again, the detail that the owner put into this, it shows that he really took care of the property. He really cares about the property. I mean, look at that flooring. It just looks great. So we're gonna go take a look at the other master bedroom. Now this one is a little bit smaller. Still have the two-tone with the gray. Looks really good. Also has a walk-in closet. Now this walk-in closet isn't quite as big as the other one, but you do still have your shelving. Has a nice window for natural light. But again, it is just a really stunning place. Great floor plan. So now we're going to go into the other master bath. Now this one has not been updated. You still have your original linoleum flooring. And that's why I was talking about earlier. We've got the extra flooring downstairs. If you want to use that and have it match, it is there. It's available for you. Standard tub shower combination. Standard hardware on the sink. And down here, the reason I opened this up is if you want the matching backsplash for that other bathroom, he's got one of the pieces here. They were out of stock, but if you need the information, it's going to be included in the packaging. Also, in this guest bedroom, there is access to the attic. Now, it's not completely plywood, so it's not safe to go walking around up there. You're welcome to put plywood up there if you want to use that area for storage. But you do have the storage unit outside, which we're going to look at here in just a minute. And then you also have a nice laundry room here on the second level, which has storage above, and there's actually a hanging rod. So you can actually hang your clothes up straight from the dryer. You don't have to put it all in a basket and it gets wrinkled by the time you get it ironed. The washer and dryer are both Frigidaire, and they do come with the unit. Now, if you decide you do not want the washer and dryer, you have your own, that's fine. But one nice thing is you don't have to carry these up the stairs. They are already here. So the washer and dryer do stay if you want, but they do come with the house. So one more thing I want to show you inside before we go take a look at the storage unit is the coat closet that's right here off the front door. I mean, this is just absolutely an amazing place. All right, so we're back in the backyard again. Man, it's so nice out here. It's just a little bit on the windy side today. The shed looks like it's about 7 by 4, maybe 7 by 5. Take a look. Some shelving in there. Plenty of space. Oh yeah, so lots of space. Do with what you need. Okay, this video is going kind of long, so I'm going to go ahead and wrap up. This home in Smyrna, Tennessee, zoned for Stewarts Creek Middle and High School. You have the updated kitchen, you have updated flooring, you have 2 master suites, all of this for under $180,000. Give me a call today, 615-255-2732, or you can text that phone number or email me, tim@apexventuresinc.com. Give me a call, shoot me a text, email me. I'll get you in to take a look at it, and let's get it done.